Hi, today I'm making ice cream. People want to go out for ice cream. It's getting warmer out. Take notes because this is vegan, protein, and gut healthy. Very delicious. Yeah, let's get started. I didn't memorize the ingredients. I have them on my laptop. Step one, let's get started. 2 cups of ice in your blender. I'm using a blender in case I didn't mention before. 2 cups of ice, done. All right, next step. 4th cup of cane sugar. You can add more or less depending on how sweet you want to make it. I'll just add a little under half a cup. I'm just gonna do that. Sometimes I got a sweet tooth, like right now. Next, you want to add a half teaspoon of salt. It could be granular, it could be coarse. Half teaspoon of ground cinnamon comes next. Let me just say, I'm not using any milk for this, mainly because I don't have any. I was at the store earlier, but I'm not going back right now. Cinnamon, in it goes. Next we have what makes it gut healthy. A tablespoon of chopped ginger. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use pure organic vanilla extract because I'm mostly vegan and gluten-free. A lot of the things I use are like this. Do you remember when you were a kid and you tried to taste vanilla extract thinking it tasted like vanilla and you were just like, and now for the protein. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or peanut butter powder. Half cup of water. You don't need milk for this because the peanut butter has such a creamy consistency, it takes the place of the milk. And now we blend. I've had this blender for about a few months. My mom kept getting on me about using it because it was just sitting in my cabinet. So yes, Mom, I'm using it now. Thank you. At the end, feel free to use whatever you want for toppings, sprinkles. I have these little mini marshmallows. I have some almonds. I have some frozen berries. I could make a peanut butter jelly, peanut butter berry ice cream. But yeah, let's get to blending. I think it might need a little more ice, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so, oh my God, the ginger. Still sweet, still good, and spicy. But we're gonna put this bad boy in the freezer for a few hours and then see how it goes. Well, I'm gonna put some marshmallows on top and then we're gonna put it in the freezer. All right, I was gonna wait 5 hours, but it has been a few hours. It hasn't been 5 hours, but it's been a few hours. So let's see, here we go. Now for the taste test. I can definitely taste the cinnamon and the peanut butter. It's not too sweet and it doesn't like hit you all at once. It's almost the consistency of a milkshake. That's the best way I can describe this. And then the almonds, saltiness to it, it makes it a little better. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in a cup. It doesn't have the ice cream consistency texture to it. But this was a good recipe and I think this is like the equivalent of a good protein shake. If you want to make something like this, I will leave the ingredients and the instructions in the description or wherever I post this. But I will also add the recipe with milk instead of water. So yeah, thanks for watching.